Welcome to our deep dive into the exciting world of adventure mobility. Today, we're exploring the groundbreaking innovations and visionary design behind the 2025 Tricycle Camper, a revolutionary vehicle that redefines how we think about travel, outdoor living, and sustainable transportation. Whether you're an avid traveler, a camping enthusiast, a tech buff, or simply someone curious about the future of mobility, you're in for an enlightening journey as we unpack every detail of this incredible machine. Imagine a world where your vehicle is more than just a way to get from point A to point B. Instead, it's an extension of your lifestyle, compact, efficient, eco-friendly, and packed with smart technology. That's precisely what the 2025 Tricycle Camper aims to deliver. With its innovative design, cutting-edge features, and a focus on sustainability, it's poised to transform outdoor adventures into more accessible, comfortable, and environmentally conscious experiences. Let's start from the ground up. The 2025 Tricycle Camper is a three-wheeled marvel. Think of a motorcycle hybrid, but far more than just a two-wheel or three-wheel vehicle. It combines the agility and ease of navigation that a tricycle offers with the comfort and utility of a camper. Its frame is constructed from lightweight yet durable materials like carbon fiber composites and high-grade aluminum alloys, ensuring that it remains robust while maintaining a low-weight profile, for maximum efficiency and ease of handling. The design aesthetic is modern and sleek, with aerodynamic curves optimized for minimal air resistance. The body features smart panels with integrated solar cells that can harness sunlight to generate power, illustrating the commitment to renewable energy. The choice of colors is customizable, with options ranging from matte finishes to high-gloss metallics. The overall look is futuristic yet approachable, inviting adventurers to take it on their journeys. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 Tricycle Camper is its propulsion system. Unlike traditional campers that rely solely on fossil fuels, this model employs an advanced hybrid electric powertrain. It features a compact, high-capacity battery pack that can be recharged via solar panels or through a portable charging station. The engine itself seamlessly switches between electric mode and a small, highly efficient internal combustion engine when longer ranges are necessary. The electric motor provides instant torque, allowing for nimble maneuvering through congested city streets or rugged off-road trails. The range per charge exceeds 200 miles under typical driving conditions, and with auxiliary solar charging, that range can be extended further. This makes it perfect for both daily commuting and weekend camping trips far from the grid. The hybrid system is designed not only for performance but also to significantly reduce emissions compared to traditional campers and RVs. Inside, the camper portion is ingenious.